Hello, my name is Michael Ornelas, and this is my presentation on recent advances in cyber-physical systems and research security. For IT 280 Spring 2017, a course conducted by Dr. Mahalik in the Department of Industrial Technology, Jordan College of Agricultural Science and Technology, California State University, Fresno. Introduction and background. When speaking of cyber-physical systems, also known as CPS, one of the first questions that arise is if it can be utilized as a formidable security system, being that this is a computer monitored system. Recent advances in sensor networks, wired and wireless networks, embedded systems, communications, computers, and control engineering are all helping CPSs to find their way into various facets of our lives, from healthcare to national security. Figure 1 is an illustration of cyber-physical systems that are in our lives today. And as you view this illustration, you can see a vehicle, a home, and common electronic devices that we utilize today. These are all capable of using CPS systems in order to better automate lives, sustain lives, as well as progress in our safety and health. CPSs in operating rooms. Figure 2 is an illustration of an operating room that utilizes CPS systems in order to help medical personnel to conduct surgical procedures. Literature review. Cyber-physical systems and network security can be found in various genres as one explores the impact that CPSs have had on everyday lives. CPS are utilized both to protect and sustain, which can be found in a myriad of fields from that of medicine to defense. Considering the healthcare and medicine industry, CPSs are utilized in many aspects, such as patient recording, record keeping, and in operating rooms where computer systems are utilizing hardware and software to control systems with safety and timing requirements in real time. Defense is utilized by monitoring the physical system for something that deviates from standard, normal, or expected results, which may be able to detect attacks that are undetectable from the IT side. Methodology. The methodology that I used for the research began with critically reviewing the resources provided, and then asking the necessary questions to fulfill the requirements of the assignment. Additional web resources were reviewed to grasp a full understanding for the direction of the paper. As the decision was made to utilize the research in a qualitative or quantitative method, the decision was ultimately decided to utilize a cross-sectional approach to fully give the complete context of the research. Research of the literature yielded that cyber-physical systems are utilized in a variety of industries so that to gather and store information that can be utilized to identify, protect, guide, or several other areas that allow for the need of a CPS. A cross-sectional methodology allowed me to take variables from each research method and thoroughly review the information. And in review, it was found that the most recent advances in network security can be found fighting CPS attacks that revolve around eavesdropping or attacks that can hijack information that the system utilizes. Designs. Applications of CPS arguably have the potential to dwarf the 20th century IT revolution. They include high confidence medical systems, medical devices and systems, assisted living, traffic control, and safety, to name a few. The economic impact of any of these applications would be huge. Computing and networking technologies today, however, may unnecessarily impede progress towards these applications. The problem arises when we scale up from simple programs to software systems, and particularly to cyber-physical systems. Figure 3 is a CPS diagrammatic layout. This layout shows the cyber side of the CPS system as well as the physical side. Results. Figure 4 is an illustration that shows intelligent road and unmanned vehicles utilizing CPSs. The cars of the future that or even now have started to utilize this type of technology in order to help with the safety while driving. A lot of times we become distracted while we're driving, so this type of system, this type of CPS system, this intelligent road CPS system would help to vehicles to come to a stop if they sense something. For example, discussion. Reviewing the distributed data processing and network control, it was found that the design and implementation of control systems are against many hurdles that relate to time and event-driven software, computing, variable time delays, and other variables that challenge network control systems. To build high-confidence systems that allow for cyber and physical designs to enjoy compatibility, synergy, and integration on many scales, it is necessary for long-term investing to become the common practice versus the shorter-term focus that current and past industry investors have relied upon. When evaluating challenges for securing cyber-physical systems, it is important to identify the threats that the system expects to face, potential attackers, their motivations, and their resources. In conclusion, I have found that CPS physical systems and research security will better help to improve the safety and longevity of lives every day.